Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to my channel. I am Jhuma ma'am. Today I will discuss about your upcoming SST examination, which will be held on 13th of June. I hope everyone is having SST syllabus for the exam. If it is no, then please intimate to your class teacher. Then your class teacher will definitely provide you the syllabus through groups. Okay, now I am coming to the exam related information. The exam will be exactly remain same the way you have given your exams of third language or computer previous year. But here you will be getting this time 60 questions and you will be getting 60 minutes for this entire examination of SST. That means per question is having 1 mark. And the exam will be based on MCQ, multiple choice questions. So you need to go through your textbook thoroughly, because each and every line of the textbook is important. So if you are going through the question answers, broad question, that will give you the brief idea about the chapter. But when you are sitting for the MCQ exam, then you have to prepare the chapter or the text thoroughly. You need to read the book thoroughly. My second point is regarding the map work. Geography related map pointing, every information already being provided by Shomiron sir through his different videos. Please go through the videos to prepare yourself. Today I am going to discuss about the history related map work for your exam. You can see one map which is showing on the screen. This map is from chapter 2. Why I am talking about chapter 2? Because chapter 1 is not having any map. Chapter 2, on the trial of the earliest people, this chapter is having one map. That map is actually showing in front of you. That map is corresponding to some important archaeological sites. You will be getting this map in your textbook. Here, some important sites marked with different symbols. These symbols represented some important, along with some important keywords like Paleolithic site with triangle, Neolithic sites with square, then Megalithic site with circle, early village with diamond, and modern cities with star. Now, it is very interesting. It is a very interesting question. I think it is in your mind that how we are going to give the map pointing related work during online examination as well as for the MCQ. It is pretty clear. As the examination is going to be conducted through MCQ based pattern, so it is not possible to provide blank map to you and do the map work the way you are doing. So how can you prepare yourself? You need to prepare yourself like the way I am stating right now. You can see that eastern part of India, there is one place, Daujali Harding, and beside that one square has given. That square is representing the Neolithic site. When you are doing the map work, you will be getting blank map and you have to locate the place on the map. But here for the MCQ, how the question will come in front of you? The question will be given like this way. Which Neolithic site is situated in eastern part of India, or name the Neolithic site of eastern part of India. Option will be given: Chirand, Kalimangnan, Daujali Harding, Kolkata. So here option 3 is the right answer. Another example I am giving, like name the early village of South India. Name the early village of South India. Early village stands for diamond symbol, so you can see Inamgaon. So options are given: Piyampalli, Brahmagiri, Hansgi, Inamgaon. So your right option will be Inamgaon. One example, once again I am giving another example. Name one Paleolithic site of Madhya Pradesh where the cave painting can be discovered or explored by the archaeologist. Options given: Kolkata, Mumbai, then another one is Chirand, Bhimbetka. So which one will be the answer? Bhimbetka. So in this way the map related question will come. Only one map is there from history, so you prepare all these, you just remember all these names along with their location and what type of site these are, you need to remember. Now I am going to the last part, that the overall syllabus of SST. From civics, 2 chapters will be there. From history, 2 chapters will be there. And from geography, 2 chapters will be there. Civics 1 and 2, history 1 and 2 chapter, and geography 1, and that chapter is based on maps. So total 6 chapters are there for your SST syllabus of upcoming online test. You go through all the videos whichever uploaded by Parijat sir, me and Shomiran sir, and go through the all Word document uploaded by us, and read the textbooks thoroughly. Hope that all these things will help you to prepare yourself nicely. And my last request and advice to all of you: don't be confused. If there is any doubt, please intimate your class teacher. Class teachers are always there to help you out. Till then, be happy and stay blessed. Bye.